Watch this video and see how this police officer is harassing Biafrans who are in Abuja to see the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Watch, share.
I don't need this. Hey, madam. I don't need it here. No. Did you hear me? Yes, sir. I don't need it here right now. You disperse. Oh, keep calm. Do you hear me? Yes, sir. Why? Go to the court. Go in peace. We don't want this gathering. Please go in peace. Go where we are. Oh, you don't want to go? I want to know where we are going. Okay, leave this place. Sir, we are here for peace. We are here for peace. We are here for peace. There are many officers here. We are here for peace. There are many officers here. We are here for officers here. What do you know? No, we are here for officers here. We are here for officers here. Shoot him now. Shoot him now. Shoot him. Shoot him. What is this? Are we here? They're watching us. People are watching us. People are watching us. We are here. Officer, somebody want to shoot. They want to bring us to shoot. We are not here for fight. Because he was on the plan.